Hello everyone, a very good afternoon from Techo International Airport in Cambodia, Phnom Penh. This is the new airport, looks very great, aesthetically pleasing. I've been flying back to Hong Kong today with Air Cambodia, previously known as Angkor Air, K6680 to Hong Kong. Estimated report time will be 4:55 p.m. local time. The equipment today will be an Airbus A321. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. So I'm near the boarding gate. A few things that I want to say about this airport is number one, well, architecturally it looks very nice. However, number one, it's hot. There are not so many people here, but it's lacking AC. I'm sweating already. And also I am at boarding gate A24. Is a bit far from the immigration. I need to walk to the end of the building basically. And the travelator is not properly positioned, so it's kind of like there are travelators but far from each other, therefore I still need to walk a bit far, but anyways.
Thank you.
Welcome on board the Air Cambodia A321 CEO. This is a somewhat old plane. So there are 3 lavatories for economy class at the back. 2 on the left, 1 on the right. This is how it looks like. Nothing special, basic old A320 lavatory, but yeah, still in a good condition. Welcome on board the A321 of Air Cambodia in economy class. This is how it looks like. This is somewhat the same as Vietnam Airlines product. leg room, not too bad. In the seat pocket, we have this ultra thin safety instruction card, magazine, and air sickness pack. That's pretty much it.
Departure from Techo International Airport to Hong Kong International Airport. For facilitation, please install your mobile phone and electronic device and turn on or switch to flight mode. The use or charging of power bank is prohibited while on board. If you are carrying power bank, please keep it on your person or in the seat pocket in front of you. Please store your...
So because of the chaotic economy class, they are offering like on-the-spot upgrade for business class. I'm paying $240, but okay, let me do this. It's too chaotic back there. So yeah, I'm sitting in business class now. Let's review the seat after takeoff.
At the front, 4 at the middle, and 2 at the rear. Please take a few moments to locate your nearby exit. The nearby exit may be behind you. Blink signal sun. Pilihan para kanan.
So welcome on board the Air Cambodia A321 business class. Again, same product as Vietnam Airlines. We have the pillow prepared in the seat. Same contents. But with slippers. Probably there is an in-flight entertainment here, but maybe enough, because in Vietnam Airlines I think they have IFE for business class. Table, manual recliners.
ជាពីខំការនៃផងក៏ស្វកាត់អំពីការសិក្សាលោកលោកស្រីអាចប្រើប្រាស់កុំព្យូទ័រនិងឧបករណ៍អេឡិចត្រូនិកពីនេះរហូតហើយមកជាកំពុងដើម្បីចុចដោយដាក់មុនសម្រាប់ការហោះហើរការសាកថ្មដែល smoking including electronic cigarette please keep your seatbelt fastened as a precaution and against unexpected turbulence laptop and electronic device may be used Saya coba sobat Habib tempat hotel Bang Wilayah. ដើម្បីធានាសុវត្ថិភាពសូមលោកស្រីមេត្តាបិទទូរស័ព្ទដៃនិងឧបករណ៍អេឡិចត្រូនិកគឺដាក់មុនសម្រាប់ការហោះហើរនិងវិធីការប្រើប្រាស់រហូតចាក់ចេញផុតពីយន្តហោះគ្រប់វិធីការនឹងធ្វើការបិទ Ensure your seat belt is upright, the table is secure, seat belt is fastened, and the window set is pulled up. For safety reasons, all mobile phones and electronic devices must be turned.
下机为止。再一次强调，本次航班全程禁止使用充电宝。如您携带充电宝，请将充电宝放在您触手可及的地方。从现在。
And the window set is pulled up. Thank you. ជម្រាបជូនលោកលោកស្រីទាំងអស់ជាទីគោរពថា Airline នេះទទួលបានចុះចតដល់អាកាសយានដ្ឋានអន្តរជាតិហុងកុងវេលានេះគឺម៉ោង 8:18 នាទីយប់តែតោះណាពេលខាងក្រៅគឺ 26 អង្សា So it is now 20 minutes past 8 p.m. The outside temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft have a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Once again, we remind you that for the safety reason, the use of mobile phone and SMS receiver is prohibited until disembarkation. You are requested not to open the craft door without copy attendant instruction. We hope you enjoy your flight with us. On behalf of Air Cambodia, Captain Pat Pitong, Purser Satna and all the crew members would like to say goodbye and wish you have a pleasant stay in Hong Kong. We look forward to meet you again soon. Thank you and have a nice day.
指示灯熄灭为止。再次提醒您，为了飞行安全，请您不要打开移动电话、调频收音机以及其他电子设备，直到您下飞机为止。
Finally, I have arrived at Hong Kong International Airport. Flight was on time. It was a full load in economy. They announced a last-minute upgrade to business class for $200 US, and I decided to sign up because I couldn't survive anymore in economy. It's not because of the airline; it's actually because of the passenger profile. Unfortunately, I don't want to mention country names or nationalities, but basically these people smelled like cigarette and they were fighting over overhead bins. Literally people were fighting and cuffing. Therefore, it was a bit uncomfortable to stay in economy. And unfortunately, I think most of the passengers were farting randomly and the cabin smelled terrible throughout the whole flight. Anyways, it was a once in a lifetime experience with Air Cambodia. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.